Hello, in this video we are going to walk through how to reverse or void something inside of Acumatica. So Acumatica is very strict with their accounting rules. Once something hits the general ledger, you are not able to make changes to the document without reversing or voiding the document that you are working with. In this example, we're taking a look at a bill, and as we see, our status is open and it has already hit the general ledger because there is a batch number. As we see here, I can't add new lines here. I can't change the date because once this hits the general ledger, it's automatically complete and it's not able to be changed. So what we're going to do today is we're going to reverse this. So we have our bill and we have the options here to either pay it or we're going to go in and reverse it. So I'm going to go ahead and click this reverse button. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And here, as we see, the system automatically creates this debit adjustment. So if I go ahead and save it, it's going to assign this new reference number. And if I go back to our list of bills and adjustments, now we have our original one with the status is still open for our bill. And then we have this new one that was created, which is currently on hold and the balance is the same amount. Now this one here is going to be the debit adjustment to reverse against the bill. So now I'm going to go ahead and click remove hold. And now once I've released this, just as the case on the bill, I can no longer make changes to this document once I release it. It has hit the general ledger for this particular vendor. And if we see our financial tab here, we have our batch number. So in this example for the bill, we have created the debit adjustment to reverse the original bill. And so now we just need to go ahead and apply it. So I'm going to click this apply button. And once I do this, this takes me to the payment screen for this debit adjustment. And then it's saying what we need to apply this to. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab that bill that we were working with, which is our 43 right here for $84. And I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to release it. And so once I did this, now our status for the checks and payment debit adjustment is closed. We have our debit adjustment for our bill, which is closed. And now if we go back to our bills and adjustments, we have our original bill here that now is closed, as well as the debit adjustment associated with it. And just to show you where the system took us, so if we go to our checks and payment screen here, we now have a debit adjustment type under the checks and payments. And if we click into it, we can see under the application history that we have this applied to this bill number 43 for $84. And then we have our status here, which is closed. So then we have successfully reversed the bill that we worked with. This is going to be the case for payments. If you void payments, you're going to have to go through the void process. If you are working with and customer invoice, you're going and it is already released, you're going to have to go in and do the reversing entry for it. So anything that hits the general ledger, you are not able to make changes to after the fact. You're going to have to go in and reverse or void that document in order to proceed further. So I hope this video helps and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.